Everyone wants to know what to say in a networking conversation. But what matters most is how you think before you speak. Because if you walk in anxious or over-rehearsed, even perfect questions will sound fake. Here are 3 mindset shifts that change everything that happens after. Mindset 1, accept. If networking makes you nervous, congratulations, you're normal.
But you're better than normal. You're abnormal.
Even I used to overthink every conversation, rehearsing what I'd say, then forgetting it the moment someone smiled. Your brain treats social risk like physical danger, and that's why your heart races.
All right. You ready? Here we go.
Which is why simple hello can feel just like cliff diving. And when you stop pretending you're confident, you free up the energy you use for acting and put it into listening. Instead of rehearsing your next question while they're talking, you actually hear what they say. You notice when they let up about a topic. You ask follow-ups that show that you are paying attention. And that's when conversations stop feeling scripted and start feeling real. Your brain says danger, but it's wrong. And once you stop performing, it's easier to notice what you actually bring to the table. Here's the second mindset, value. You're not showing up empty-handed.
I work too hard. I care too much. Sometimes I can be too invested in my job.
Okay, not that kind of value. You bring fresh ideas from your courses that professionals haven't heard in years. You ask questions that make them rethink assumptions. And you have a curiosity that they've forgotten how to fake. And when you recognize that, you stop walking into conversations thinking, what can I get from them? And start thinking, what can we explore together? That shift changes everything. Your tone, your questions, your entire energy. You're not begging for favors, you're offering perspective. And once you see your own value clearly, it's easier to see the person sitting across from you as human, not just a job title.
Human.
Here's the third mindset, human. I can spot the difference in seconds. Students who struggle fire off scripted questions. What do you do? Any advice? Students who succeed start with something human. How's your week going? And actually listen to the answer. Before your next networking conversation, take 10 seconds to remind yourself that this is a person, not a LinkedIn profile.
I'm human!
They have stress, interests, bad days, and good days. And when you see them as human first and professional second, conversations become easier for the both of you. Treat them like a person and watch what changes. I've watched hundreds of students try every networking tactic without these 3 mindsets. They get responses, but the conversations feel forced. They make connections, but the relationships don't stick. Once these 3 click, networking stops feeling like a performance and starts feeling like being yourself with a purpose. That's the foundation every strategy builds on. Next video, how to build real networking confidence, one short conversation at a time.